Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for some new hairstyles to wear to work because of COVID, or you're at home and you want to kind of put your hair up while you're on video all day, because I know I am at times, then this is a great video for you to check out. So first I'm going to part my hair off on the top and spray some of this texture spray in. Then I'm going to put in a rubber band and do one loop. Now I'm just going to take this section and split it into two and twist it around itself. And you can make it as messy or as neat as you want to. And then I can kind of take that little loop we first made and like pull it apart too. So I only have one bobby pin in there, but you can always throw another one in. Like I just want to make this a little separated.
Gotta keep it separated.
I just pin that middle section behind. You can spray it and get all those loose pieces back. This is Redken 32. I like to use it as my go-to spray, and this is the final product. I'm just gonna twist my hair, take another deep section, and then one more time. It kind of all melds together, but I want it to kind of stay apart. So I want to see these three kind of different sections. So I'm going to pull that out. And then I'm gonna kind of lay this here. Pin it wherever you're holding. And this is the final look. Or another option is throw it in a ponytail but have this cute little thing going on top. Get my wet brush. Everybody needs a wet brush. I'm gonna get a little bigger rubber band than last time to put my hair up in a pony. And I'm gonna put it kind of like right behind where the hair ends that we put back. Now this is the final look. So if you are able to braid, you can just follow along. If you're not, you may want to go check out one of my videos on how to braid. I use ribbon and show you step by step. So here I'm just doing an overhanded braid. It's called a French braid. You can curl your hair, flat iron your hair, or leave it straight like this. Ta-da! Okay, so first of all, I'm going to clip it out of the way and put it up in a ponytail. Pull out some of the hair on the sides to make it look really thick. And then wrap it around the ponytail, tucking the end underneath the braid and putting a bobby pin on it. If it's sticking out like that, just put another bobby pin in it. And I fluff it and spray it if I want to, but I'm going to do another style, so I'm not going to. Okay, so my hair is up in a pony. I'm just going to twist these two pieces. Wrap them around each other and pull the hair out. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of my Redken 32. I'm going to pin it there. These always work really well with my hair by twisting it just around each other, and then you can spray it a little bit. There. And that's my little bun. You want a new style? thanks for joining me at my channel today. Nope.